What's up guys? Today I'll review a new website. This website name is Neurabit. Take a rest, let us be your brain. Let's get start. It is a new website, the running day 0. Okay, it is just launched yet. You can see the about the project here, and there is today deposit and today withdrawal proof here, and there is a lot of investment platform here. Okay, you can see there is a Hawali website. It is okay. There is investment plan 11% hourly profit. I will recommend it this one, and this one will be in for invest. You can see there is a calculator for investment. You can see latest withdrawal and latest deposit here. You can see there, and there is my withdrawal also here. Okay, there is referral commission 7% and 1%, and then you need to click on register, and you need to submit your full name, your username, your email address, and retype your email address, and then type your password and confirm your password. And you have any secret question and answer, you can submit there, and then agree with terms and condition, then click on register. Okay, I'll already register. Okay, then I will log in. Okay, and then I will log in. Okay, I have 1.10 USD there. I will be withdraw now. It is okay, and there it is. Okay, then confirm, and here it is. It the withdrawal process batch ID is that is okay. You can see live withdrawal for there, and then you need to click on start investment. I'll recommend this one and this one for investment. Okay, it is good for this website. I'll invest it in this plan, Hawali plan, and you can also invest this plan also, and that's two good for this website. Okay, I will invest it in pocket money, then I will click 2 USD, and then spend. Click on spend and their process. Okay, and this is verified account. Okay, I will skip it for some personal reason, and okay, I will deposit it 2 USD there. You can see there is batch ID, and there is my account, and that is Neurabit account. Okay, I will continue. Okay, and that is we have received your deposit. Thank you. You can see there I will already deposit here. Okay, I will see my account now, and this is active deposit 2 USD. Okay, I will log out now, and you can see there is my deposit, and there is my withdrawal here. Okay, it is a good website. Okay, you need to invest in for one day, and hourly you can see there is accepted paper money, pair bitcoin, a lot of payment method here. And thank you for supporting me, and you can invest here. Please do subscribe, like, and if you have any question, you can comment it there, and link in the description.